Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's update about my asparagus. You can refer to the link above. This was my first video where I was planting asparagus crowns, and yeah, it was 3 years ago. I can't believe it. It's quite hard to establish, and the first year I didn't harvest anything at all. Second year I harvested like about half of it really gently. And this is third year, and I should be ready for full harvest. So it is quite exciting. For a while I thought I lost my asparagus. I couldn't remember when it was supposed to grow, but it emerged and I am so happy. So what I do every year, obviously I haven't been well, so I just got out of bed and I can see this one. It should be harvested already, so I will do some harvesting today and enjoy really nice fresh asparagus. You can see there is more emerging, so I will wait for it to come, and then I just let it grow and let the wonderful fans be. And during sort of autumn time, when they start dying down, I just cut it down and use it as compost. And yeah, so if you wanna train patience, just go for asparagus. 3 years and I am really happy.